blaster box of 2019 Topps Heritage. Look for Target exclusive 1970 Topps baseball candy lids. So, tend to have better luck with plastic wrap off boxes at a Target. Let's see what we got here. Box is a little difficult. Okay. One. Russell Martin. Nick Pivetta. Robert Selman. Brandon Belt. The insert is then and now Justin Verlander, Jim Palmer. Joaquim Soraya. Sandy Alcantara. James Paxton. And Noah Syndergaard. Tim Anderson, Devon Travis, Alexander Cobb, Alex Cobb, Brad Hand, Mitch Haniger. This is yep, high number short print. Okay, so there's my insert for this one, a high number short print of Mitch Haniger. Austin Ramin, 2018 ALCS Game 2. Paul Goldschmidt, All-Star, with the Diamondbacks, and Irvin Santana. Joe Jimenez, Miguel Rojas, Carlos Carrasco, Joey Wendell. News flashback, EPA. The EPA started December 2nd, 1970. Bet you didn't know that. Freddie Freeman All-Star, Joe Musgrove, Jose Martinez, and World Series game number 1. Kyle Seager. Rookies, Rowdy Tellez and Reese McGuire. Okay, there we go. Did get a relic in here. Chris Sale gold relic, hand numbered, 31 out of 99. Basic relic. There's a little scuff on there, but it's a nice and thick one. There we go. Haven't gotten one of these in a while in the Heritage packs. Told you my Target ones generally tend to be better. Gorky Hernandez and Dustin Fowler. According to this, okay, relics are real one, chrome, mini, silver, error, trade, throwback, nickname. Where is the error? Or not the error, the Clubhouse Collection. Relic gold, 1 in 994. So, not bad at all. Joe Panic, Hunter Dozier, pitching leaders. Rookies, Ryan Black, Steven Dugar, Jose Miguel Cabrera. That's my high number short print. There we go. Manny Pena. Triple rookie, Francisco Arcia, Ty Buttrey, and William Jerez. Justin Bour, and Sir Didi Gregorius. Jake Lamb, Tucker Barnhart, James McCann, Zach Cozart, Mike Fiers, Wilmer Flores, and Mike Trout, All-Star, as well as Salvador Perez. And this one was falling out of there. Candy lid. Like a little fan. Woo! Of Giancarlo Stanton. Michael Wacha, Jesus Sucre, Mark Melancon, Maikel Franco, got a Javier Baez New Age Performer, Matthew Glenn Davidson, Chris Archer, Chris Sale, a good Chris Sale pack, and ALCS Houston at Houston. And the last pack, got Mike Moustakas, Ronald Guzman. Lucas Giolito. Jed Gyorko. High number short print of Starling Marte. Yep, high number short print. Willie Calhoun. Yulieski Gurriel. Leonis Martin. And Brent Suter. So all in all, not bad. I did get, there were 7 packs plus next pack. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each pack had at least, had an insert or a short print. Got, let's see, 1 Then and Now short print of Justin Verlander, Jim Palmer. Got an EPA news flashback. Woo! Bet you wanted to know when the EPA came in. A New Age Performer, Javier Baez. Candy Lid, Giancarlo Stanton. 3 high number short prints. Best one being Miguel Cabrera. But they hit in this pack, 1 in 994 packs. A gold Clubhouse relic card, Chris Sale. So all in all, Target Box has been doing me much better than the Mega Boxes or other things I've been purchasing. So thanks for watching.